happy morning to all my dear students. Today let us see Unit 2, Prose 2. The title of the prose is That Sunday Morning. Now let us see the book back exercise. The first question is, why did the family move to Patna? The answer is, Savita Singh's father was posted in Patna, so they had to move there. So the answer is, Savita Singh's father was posted to Patna, so they have to move to Patna. The second question is, who was challenged for a race? Savita was challenged for a race by her brother. Third question is the brother boastful? What makes you think so? Yes, the brother is boastful because whenever he wins, he boasts about it for days. As you know, children, what is the meaning of boastful? Okay, proud. Fourth question is, why did the trees become a green blur? Fourth question is, why did the trees become green blur? The trees became a green blur to Savita as she was cycling very fast, and due to that she could not see the trees clearly. The fifth question is, which line tells you that the girl was faster than the boy? The line, soon I drew level with my brother and then gradually I moved ahead, tells us that the girl was faster than the boys. The line is, soon I drew level with my brother. That line says it. Now let us see the first section, glossary. Exploring, traveling for discovery, imposing, grand or impressive, invariably, always, crowd, boasted. Now let us see the other one, billowed out, to flare out in the wind, threatening, warning, blur and clear. Now let us see the rearranging of the sentences. Here we have 8 sentences. Now we have to rearrange. It is not given in order, but we have to put it in order. By reading, you can understand which one comes the first, second, third, fourth and fifth, eighth up to 8th. So dear children, you have to read the paragraph well. If you read well, then only you can rearrange these lines in a proper order. So here we have the first one is, the girl cried out in delight as she overtook her brother on her cycle. Second one, just then she saw a lone cow in the middle of the road. Third one is, she applied the brake but was thrown off the cycle. Fourth one, and so she flew onto the back of the cow. Fifth one is, the startled cow charged off in fear. Sixth one is, and it charged straight at the cavalry officers on horseback. Seventh one is, so everybody panicked and made a general rush to safety. Eighth one is, finally the cow fell into the ditch and dislodged the girl. So these are put in order. You have to read well the paragraph, then only you can arrange it in order. I hope children you understood how you have to rearrange the sentences. You can mark it in your textbook and learn it. Now let us see the section 2, glossary. Abruptly, suddenly, momentum, the force of a moving body, unfortunate, unlucky, startled, frightened, resplendent, brilliant in appearance. Cavalry, a unit of the army serving on horseback, magnificent, grand, stamped, rush, dislodged, freed. Now let us see the section 3. Based on your reading, put a tick for the correct and wrong for its incorrect statements. As they have given, the man didn't want to get up because he was tried as he was thrown into the ditch. It is wrong. The boy was rather unsympathetic to his sister. Correct. The girl was badly hurt. Wrong. The boy and the girl were taken by the cavalry to explain their action. Wrong. The road back home quickly. That is correct. The girl admitted to her brother that she was badly frightened. So now let us see the glossary. Groan, an utterance expressing pain. Pillowed, the cry of a cow. Scramble, to move or climb hurriedly. Awkward, sensitive. Heartily, arrogantly. Scowl, threatening look. Retreat, to move away. Unpleasant, disagreeable. Now let us see the answers to the following questions. How does Patna differ from Delhi? Delhi had grand and impressive buildings and monuments, whereas Patna had none of them. Delhi had very impressive buildings, that is very high building and monuments. Now the Patna is not having it. What was the girl determined to do? Why the girl was determined to? She was determined to win the cycle race because every time her brother wins the race and boasts about it for days. So every time her brother wins the cycle race, so she didn't give up. She wants to win the cycle race, so she was trying to do it. How did the cavalry officers look? What happened to them finally? The cavalry officers mounted on the grand horses. They were bright in appearance. As the frightened cow charged straight at the horses, they panicked and scattered. There was a regular stamp and horses were out of control. One of the cavalry officers fell into the ditch. So the cavalry officers mounted on the grand horses. They were on the horse. They were bright in appearance. They were very bright in appearance, and one fine day they fell into the ditch. Why did the girl reply heartily? Why did the girl reply heartily? The girl replied the heartily as she did not want to admit to her brother that she was scared and frightened. She didn't want to show that she was scared and frightened. The next question is, were the girl and her brother friendly with each other? The girl and the brother was friendly with each other? No, they were not friendly with each other. I think it would be nice if we moved quickly from here. Who does I refer to? I refer to Savida's brother. Why did they want to move quickly from there? Why did they want to quickly move from there? They wanted to move quickly from there as they would be called in for a lot of explanation. So they wanted to move from that place. Match the phrases with their meanings. So you have to match these with their meanings. Now first one, drew level with, whoop with glee, jammed on the brakes, clung for dear life, charged up the road, beat a hasty retreat. Now drew level with. Drew level with is rose to an equal level, whoop with glee, that is shout with enthusiasm and happiness, jammed on the brakes, tried to stop the motion immediately, clung to her dear life, that is as if one's life depends on it, charged up the road, ran very quickly in panic, beat a hasty retreat, that is to leave a place quickly. So dear children, according to the meaning you have to mark it. First you read the question, then only you can understand what the answer will be, the meaning will be. Refer to a dictionary and find out the meaning of the words given below. The first one is beam. The meaning is a signal transmitted along a narrow path. Second one, smile. Change one's facial expression by spreading the lips. Curfew. A burst of deep, loud, hearty laughter. Laugh, express joy. Giggle, laugh nervously. Next one, read the sentences given below, filling the blanks with the correct form of the appropriate laughter words from the excessive above. Kavita's face beamed with joy as she arrived in India. The show was enjoyed by all the audience and they laughed out loudly all the while. When I tickle Nistan, he always makes a loud curfew. Barney didn't mean any harm. He just did it for giggling. Things will calm down. You just keep smiling. Then pick the word from the text that is similar to the words or phrases given below. Threatening and extremely angry is scowl. A heavy blow or hit is stamped. Happening gently and slowly, gradually. Any building of a past age regarded as a historically important place is monuments. Bad luck, unfortunate. So, pick out the word from the text that is similar to the words. From the lesson you have to pick out. Match each word with its antonyms. Shady, sunny, bored, interested, glee, misery, panic, calm, hasty, slow. So here make a sentences of your own for any 5 words from the above. So you have to make a sentences. First one, we sat in a shady place for some time. Second one, I was interested to participate in the dance competition. Third one, don't panic, then you are in trouble. Fourth one, his childhood all days were in misery.